Okay. Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. No, just kidding. But hey YouTube, welcome to my very extra apartment tour. So this is the front door. It has a little chime, my alarm system. Okay, so first when I walk into my house, I have a coat closet, so I'm going to take this very extra coat off. It was for the video. And I'm just going to hang it up alongside my other coats. Put it there. Okay, now I'm going to show you my wine rack. I love it so much. I drink wine. I'm not a liquor fan for real, but I love wine. I haven't filled it up yet because I just moved in a month ago, so bear with me. These are little notes that my friend Hannah wrote. She has the best handwriting ever, so shout out to Hannah. Just a little to-do list, things like positive things to remember, and cool stuff that she writes me. Next, I'm just going to show you my refrigerator really quick. It's just water and stuff. I'm a single person, so not a lot of food. Now, here's my stove, pretty basic. I have a tea kettle because I love tea, so have that. And a little purple pot my mom gave me. Here is my sink, super regular soap, hand soap. And this is one of my favorite things ever. It has water on it, but it is a marble cutting board. It's very heavy, but I love it. Then, as you can see, my kitchen has lots of storage, lots of cabinets for whatever it is I need. I don't have a lot of food, but I just put stuff in there. This is my little Hindu/Buddha lady. I love that. That's like the theme of my house, along with blush pink and gray. Then I have a little candle from Target. It's amazing. And I have a bottle of Veuve Clicquot, or however you say it, champagne cool. Next, I have my bar stools. These are also my favorite part of my house. Just going to, forgot. They are not secure. Gotta get that fixed. This is my washroom. It is also dirty, so you might want to zoom in. And it's just pretty basic. Washer and dryer. These smell amazing. Shout out to Gain. Super cool. Gonna close that because it's really dirty. Okay, now we're moving on to my living room. So now I'm going to show you guys my living room. I have super high ceilings, as you can see. I love the windows. That is my favorite part about the design of my apartment. They are 22 foot high, so extremely high because I'm only 5 foot, so it's cool. Now, when you first walk in here, I have a mirror. Of course, I'm getting more mirrors because I love mirrors. They are the absolute best for pictures. So, this is my first mirror. It's a wall mirror. And my brother likes to leave me little notes. You probably can't see it, but it's the cutest 5-year-old handwriting ever. I love Tristan. It says, I love you so much. I love you, Rara 300,000. This is just a little gold bronze mirror I got from Wayfair. I also have a yoga mat in the corner. Don't mind that. I do yoga sometimes. So I'm just going to put my wine down. I'm having a girls' night in my house. And as I mentioned earlier, this is a super extra home tour. This is my hookah. Guys, if you're a kid, don't smoke hookah. It's a terrible, nasty habit. Hookah is the worst. But it's pink and it matches my house. It's for my guests when they come over. Then I have my other favorite, like, electronic in my house is my Alexa. Alexa, tell me a joke.
When is a door not a door? When it's a jar.
So this is my couch. I got my couch from American Signature Furniture. It's just a simple gray couch. Love it. So cute. Whatever. These are the pillows that came with it. And then here is my very expensive, well, it was $100. So for a pillow, that's kind of expensive because I'm cheap. But I love it. It's so fluffy and so pretty. This is my little Target pillow. Love Target. Got this for $24. Next, we are coming to my other favorite part of my house. My lamp. It makes my whole entire house look pink from the outside. When you turn it off, it is pink. You can come closer. When you turn it off, it's regular pink, matches my house. Turn it on, it's like an orange color. This is my other little couch. I got it from Wayfair. It's not really that special. It has little studs and rhinestones, but I put a pillow over it because I wanted to. So here is my coffee table. It's just a gold table I also got from Wayfair. And on it I have fresh roses. I have my cousin's laptop. Shout out to Javi. She's the camera girl right now. Then I have another candle, but it's obviously burnt out, so I used it to store my sage and incense when I'm on my spiritual cleansing stuff, you know, gotta do that every once in a while. So here is my little shaggy rug. I actually need a bigger rug because I have hardwood floors in there, like I want to cover the space. Underneath my table I have my laptop. You can get lower. I have my laptop. I have some little pens, a calendar, notepad, a book, another book, and another book, and another book, because I'm that extra. So, then I have a little fur ottoman. I use this, I got this from Ross, but I DIY'd it. So it was originally black legs and a like leather top bench, and I put fur over it. So stay tuned for more DIYs. And oh, I can't forget my favorite part of my living room, my Buddhist painting, because I love Buddha or whatever. The theme is so cute. Then I have a ottoman or a little stool, whatever this is. I got it from Overstock. I think it was like $60 on sale. So cute. So that is my living room. Okay, so in my hallway I have a little Chanel picture. I actually thought it was bigger than this, so I just put it in the corner because it was really small. Disappointment. Next we have my Nest thermostat. Love this. I can control it with my phone, so that's really convenient. Then, oh, I also have this little plug-in. It's actually like a wax candle burner. It makes my house smell really good. I also use Airwick plug-ins throughout my whole house. My house smells super good. Wait, can't forget, gotta show you guys my mail holder while I'm still here. This is so cute. I got it from Target. I absolutely love it. Okay, now I'm officially done with the main areas of the house. My bathroom is not finished yet, but I'm gonna show you. So, oh, shoe came off. Okay, so these are my towels. I love to roll my towels. I think it's so luxury and so cool. This is my shower. I have a garden style tub and I love baths, so I have a bath board. Everybody on my Instagram has been asking me where I got that from. I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. You can put a book right here or your laptop, take a really comfy bath, soap bar, your little loofah, whatever it is you like. And yeah, also I have a shower handle that was also a DIY. I bought it from TJ Maxx, and okay, that was kind of stupid, but I can use this to like shower when I need to get in like lower areas of my body when I clean it. Okay, so I'm just gonna close that. Here, I don't really want to draw too much attention to my toilet. It's really not decorated. This is, okay, so in my bathroom or my sink area, I have some cotton pads, some Q-tips, and some cotton balls. Then I have this champagne toast from Bath & Body Works. I love it. It smells like strawberry lemonade. Then I have Method soap. I got this from Target. It is foaming hand wash, so it's really nice. I love foaming hand wash. I have to wash this out of my hands now, but whatever. I'm gonna do that really quick. Okay, dry hands. Then I just have my toothbrush area, whatever. Another soap container has no soap in it because it didn't work when I bought it. Then I just have a perfume stand or whatever. It just has a few perfumes. I have to build my collection, so don't mind it. Then this right here is just a closet full of all of my like toiletries, I guess, stuff that I use. And then I have a cabinet down here, and my closet is through here, but I'm not going to show you guys that because it is not ready for it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys my room. This is my room. I have a comforter that I got from Target. It's just regular. And then I have another pillow from Z Gallery. I also have regular pillows that came with it. My bed frame, my aunt actually gave it to me. I'm not sure where she got it from. I think it was from like Wayfair or Z Gallery, either or. This is my whiteboard. Usually I like to write stuff here, like what I need to do because I forget a lot of stuff. But right now, it's a note from my friend Hannah. Her great handwriting, again, if you didn't see it on the refrigerator. Then my cousin wrote me a little note. It says, I love you in Hebrew and some more stuff, but you guys won't understand what I'm saying unless you're from Israel, so shout out to my friends in Israel if you're watching. And my room is like really unfinished, so it's not much I can really say about this room. I'll be back with an updated bedroom tour. So thank you guys for watching my home tour. Hope you liked it. Please comment below any suggestions that you have. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I just moved in, so it is not finished. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!